Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, your #1 channel, all things blue collar. Got a special guest today.
Hi, my name is Nolan.
What's up, Nolan? You ready?
Yes.
All right. If y'all been watching the channel, y'all know my son Nolan right here, and he wanted to learn how to weld. So today we're gonna learn how to weld. Isn't that right, Nolan?
Yes.
You ready? Let's get going. All right, Nolan, you sure you want to do this? You want to learn how to weld?
Yes.
So what did we do? Did we go and buy you something?
Yeah, about this.
You bought that? What is this right here?
I don't know.
Is this your welding hood?
Never heard.
That's your welding hood with the shade 11.
Yeah.
You're gonna wear. And then what else do we get for safety wise?
Jacket.
The jacket. Got you a nice shirt.
Yeah, nice shirt.
That way you won't get burned up.
Yep.
Got you a nice shirt. Got you a little welding cap.
Yeah.
And these came with this kit. We bought this kit here at Lowe's. Comes with all this stuff, a hood. These are your sleeves.
Yeah.
So if you need sleeves, you can put them right here. But you will have that.
Yeah.
Got you some thick gloves.
Yeah,
I don't know if you'll be using these or not.
No.
But you got to have that. That kit came with a little, this is a chipping hammer.
Yeah.
Try it out. That's how you're going to chip the flux off your weld. Alright, you know what this is?
Easy. A pen.
It's a pen, so you can mark your stuff. Alright. This?
Comb.
That's a wire brush.
Wire brush.
So you can clean the stuff off like that. That came with your kit.
Yep.
This right here, this is a magnetic square. I don't use these a lot, but you might. You put it like that, you can put a piece and you can square stuff off before you tack it. Got you some gloves your size.
Yes.
And look what else I got you.
There's a Turnin
and Burnin sticker.
and red purpose.
And a Wright sticker. You gotta put those on your hood.
Yes.
So before we get started, let's get those in your hood and we'll get you geared up.
Yep.
And we'll start learning how to weld. Yep, I got my hood over there. That way we can get this. So let's get you ready.
Yep.
All right, Nolan, I cannot let you weld until you got some stickers on there. So we're gonna make sure you're official. Put a Turnin and Burnin sticker on your hood. If anybody out there would like a Turnin and Burnin sticker for their hard hat or welding hood, leave a comment down there, get in touch with me, and I'll send you some free stickers. That way you can be repping the Turnin and Burnin. So let's get that on there, right, Nolan?
Yes.
Right here. Now you're legit. You're ready to go.
Yes.
All right, Nolan, let's check you out. All right. So the first thing, if you're ever going to do any welding or any work, is to make sure safety first, right?
Yes.
So you have on your steel toe boots, long blue jeans, got your gloves on, leather gloves, got your nice thick shirt on, you got a cap on so you don't burn your head, and your safety glasses, correct?
Yes.
So everything checks out, right? Everything's safe, you're good to go? All right, come on over here. Let's check out this machine. All right, so this is his first time ever welding or doing anything like this, so I'm gonna show him everything that he needs to know to get started. So the first thing first, Nolan, is I brought this machine over here. This is a MIG welder. Can you say MIG welder?
Big brother.
All right. So the first thing we want to do is we want to open this up right here. Okay. Look inside here. We're going to make sure you have wire. This is your wire right here. Okay.
Okay.
Wire. Everything's already hooked up. It goes through these rolls and it goes out to the other end where the little gun is. Okay.
Okay.
So that's the first thing we got to do. We check that. Everything good?
Yes. Now, guys, you color, you just right.
Comment below and subscribe.
Yes.
Oh, good deal. Way to remind them. I always forget to say that. All right, next thing, Nolan, I want you to come over here. And this is your gas. You gotta have the gas for this, okay?
Yeah.
So what you need to do is come up here, put your hand right here. Now I want you to stand to the side. Look, stand over here, and I'm gonna tell you why. Anytime you turn this on, you don't wanna stand in front of this, because if you stand in front of this and you have something leak right here, or this bus, it's gonna go bam, hit you right in the face.
Yeah.
So you're gonna stand to the side like that, and then you want to turn it this way, okay? So turn Yes, sir. Turn it like this. Keep on turning. Turn some more. There you go. Make sure it's on. All right, you look right here. See this? It's not on 0. It's up here. You see that?
Yeah.
So you have your gas. So that step is ready to go. Now come on over here. Let me show you this end, okay?
Okay.
This right here, this is the ground. This has to be touching whatever metal surface that you're welding, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna put it right here. So grab my hand, I'm gonna show you. Grab it, grab like this. You're gonna squeeze, it's pretty tight. So we're gonna squeeze, we're gonna slide that on there, okay? And that's on there. This right here, this is the MIG gun. You're gonna look inside there, don't pull the trigger, make sure everything's clean, okay? Don't put it right in front of your face like that, because it could get you. But look over there, make sure everything's clean, all right?
Yeah.
Everything looking good?
Yes.
All right, let's get to the next step. All right, right over here. See this? Now, I've already set this for you. This is the on off, okay?
Okay.
I want you to come over here, flip it up. Same thing, stand on that side, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and go over there. You don't ever want to stand right in front of anything when you turn it on. Okay, take your hand and flip this up, okay?
Okay.
All the way on the bottom, turn it on. Flip it up, it's kind of hard. Like this, ready?
Yeah, alright.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right, ready? You hear it?
Yes.
All right. Let's go get your hood. I'm gonna get my hood and you're gonna watch me first. I want you to stand right over here behind me, or kind of on the side of me, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this down right here, and we're gonna put our hoods down. Yours will stay light until it goes, okay? And then I'm gonna want you to watch what I do. I'm gonna put this here, not right up on, a little bit away. I'm gonna pull this trigger right here.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna start going, and I'm gonna work it back and forth like this, okay?
Okay.
Up and down a little bit as I'm going this way. You
Okay.
ready? Go ahead and put your hood down.
Yeah.
I get right over here, close to it. Come here. Don't be scared. Now look down, bend down. Now watch, ready? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna flip my hood. Ready? Watch what I do. I'll pull that trigger. Can you see that? You see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Up and down, up and down, up and down, and going that way. Now you can pick your hood back up. So what I'm doing is I'm going up and down a little bit,
Yeah.
and I'm going that way, okay? So right here. The only way to learn is to jump into it. So hold this. Okay, don't be scared of it. And I want you to hold it. Bring your trigger, bring your hand up like this. I'm gonna help you. Flip this down. I'm gonna get behind you. Don't be scared. Put your other hand right here. All right, now you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Pull this. I'm gonna flip my hood down. You pull this trigger. See what we're doing?
Yeah.
All right. Now it's your turn. No. I want you to pull the trigger. Ready, go. Pull that trigger. Pull it. There you go. See how I'm working it? Keep pulling it. Keep pulling it. See how we're going up and going that way, okay? See what we're doing?
Yeah.
Alright, now stop. Alright, lift your hood up. Chip that off. Let's see what it looks like. Okay?
Okay.
Get a little chippy chip chip. Chippy chip chip. Alright, take a look at it. That's your first weld.
Yeah.
Alright, now I want you to show me without pushing the trigger how you're gonna do it, okay?
Okay.
So, without pushing the trigger, this is what I want you to do, okay? Look, right here. You can leave your hood up, we're not gonna push the trigger. So you're gonna put it right here, push the trigger, okay? And I want you to go down, up a little bit as you're going this way, okay? But not too fast. Okay, like that. You see what I'm doing? Think you can do it? You wanna try it yourself? All right, let's give it a shot. You're gonna get it up on there. All right, try it yourself.
Got it.
There you go. I'm just right here, okay? Go ahead. Closer. See how you're doing that?
Yeah.
You gotta move that way. There you go. There you go. Keep going that way. There you go. There you go. Go that way. Look right here. Alright. You want to show the whole world of YouTube?
Yes.
Your very first weld?
Uh-huh.
Alright, let's chip it off. You show the whole YouTube world Nolan's first weld with the MIG all by himself. You can hit it harder than that. Come on, man. Don't be scared. Hit it. Hit that sucker. Hit that sucker. All right. Nolan's very, very first weld all by himself.
Yes.
So what do you think?
I go cool.
It's cool.
Yep.
Let's do a little bit more practice. And then after you get a little bit more practice, I'm gonna have you build something, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna turn this camera off and you practice a little bit more, and then we're gonna go over there and build something. You ready?
Yes.
All right. All right, he was practicing a little bit. What do you think of welding?
Oh, good.
It's good, you like it?
Yes.
It's a little hard, huh?
Uh-huh.
Just gotta keep practicing, but you ready to try to build something?
Yes.
Build your first little project?
Uh-huh.
All right, look over here. What are we gonna build?
Flower.
A flower. So no one's gonna build a little flower. We just took some 3/4 nuts, and you can see that middle one's a different color, and he's gonna tack those up like that, and then this is probably gonna be the stem, and be your first little project, a little art project.
Yes.
So let's get going on it.
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right, ready? Pull the trigger. All right. Show everybody in YouTube. Show them what you made.
I'm a guy's flower.
You made a flower.
Uh-huh.
Take a look at it. That's pretty cool.
I got it.
Let's put it over here where we can see it a little bit better. Look at that, everybody. A nice little flower. Come back on this side. You see Nolan's welds. Just kind of tacked everything up. And you did an awesome job, dude. All right. You ready to do some more welding?
Yes.
You ready to hire on? Come work for me?
Yeah.
Well, you know what, Nolan? I think it's time to end this video. You think we should drag up? We should drag up? We're not gonna drag up. We're gonna roll on into another video. Thank you for watching. There's nothing that Nolan can't do. Anything that he wants to try to do, we will try to get him to do it. Welding, sports, anything, right?
Yes.
It's a little hard. He's gonna keep practicing. It's cool that he got to make that. So I'm very, very proud of you, Nolan. All right, let's roll on up out of here. Peace.